Welcome back to Quick Smart Quiz. Today, are you ready to guess the fruit without vowels? It starts easy but gets harder. Good luck! Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's start with the easy level. First question, guess the fruit without vowels. Apple. Guess the fruit without vowels. Banana. Guess the fruit without vowels. Orange. Guess the fruit without vowels. Mango. Guess the fruit without vowels. Grape. Guess the fruit without vowels. Pineapple. Guess the fruit without vowels. Watermelon. Guess the fruit without vowels. Strawberry. Guess the fruit without vowels. Lemon. Guess the fruit without vowels. Cherry. Guess the fruit without vowels. Peach. Guess the fruit without vowels. Pear. Guess the fruit without vowels. Papaya. Guess the fruit without vowels. Kiwi. Guess the fruit without vowels. Blueberry. Guess the fruit without vowels. Coconut. Guess the fruit without vowels. Plum. Guess the fruit without vowels. Raspberry. Guess the fruit without vowels. Avocado. Guess the fruit without vowels. Pomegranate. Next up is the medium level. Guess the fruit without vowels. Dragon fruit. Guess the fruit without vowels. Lychee. Guess the fruit without vowels. Passion fruit. Guess the fruit without vowels. Star fruit. Guess the fruit without vowels. Guava. Guess the fruit without vowels. Fig. Guess the fruit without vowels. Persimmon. Guess the fruit without vowels. Tangerine. Guess the fruit without vowels. Mulberry. Guess the fruit without vowels. Gooseberry. Guess the fruit without vowels. Apricot. Guess the fruit without vowels. Clementine. Guess the fruit without vowels. Jackfruit. Guess the fruit without vowels. Nectarine. Guess the fruit without vowels. Date. Guess the fruit without vowels. Longan. Guess the fruit without vowels. Currant. Guess the fruit without vowels. Blackberry. Guess the fruit without vowels. Cranberry. Guess the fruit without vowels. Soursop. Next up is the hard level. Guess the fruit without vowels. Durian. Guess the fruit without vowels. Mangosteen. Guess the fruit without vowels. Salic. Guess the fruit without vowels. Rambutan. Guess the fruit without vowels. Sapodilla. Guess the fruit without vowels. Jabuticaba. Guess the fruit without vowels. Medlar. Guess the fruit without vowels. Miracle fruit. Guess the fruit without vowels. Bale fruit. Guess the fruit without vowels. Buddha's hand. Pick your next challenge and make sure you like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to share your score in the comment.